Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I've done a lot of videos on the lens effects fisheye with a round shape. And I even did it with a square shape one time. And it really comes out pretty good. But you could do a lot with this pattern. Somebody was emailing me and wanted to know if you could do it with a triangle. Well, the only way you can find out is just to test it. So we're going to make a three-sided triangle, and we're going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. It is selected. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. I'm a little bit big. Hold down the shift to make it grow. You have to have the triangle selected for the lens effect to work. So I'm going to close this down, go to effects and lens, and then go down here and go fisheye, and look at that. And then I'm going to go frozen. You have to freeze it to make it stay. One thing I like about this is you could do it over and over and over again. So on this one, I just took away the outline and I just rotated it 60 degrees. I want to play with this. I'm going to make it 12 inches so we got an easier math. And let's take our nudge factor and set on 12. And let's put it down here, Control D, and move it over. Control D, Control D. You get a complete different look. Now I've selected them all, Control D, and go down. I mean, that is a pretty cool graphic, almost three-dimensional look, man. If you look at that, if you zoom in on that and look at it with you on your screen, if you do it, it's kind of play through your eyes. There's a lot you could do with that. And I'm even thinking about now, what if we did this? What if we took away these three and take this one and rotate it 90 degrees? Well, that didn't change. Well, it's gotta go 90 degrees. I was thinking because my dots, I guess they're equal. I was thinking they're not equal, but they are going up and down. But if you took this triangle, right now it has no outline. It's not going to match up perfectly. Control D and make a duplicate of that. And probably zoom in so you know you're right on that node. And go right on that node. And then rotate it 60 degrees. This one's going to look pretty cool. Maybe even better than the first one. So I go 120 and then if you ever hit the wrong key, like I do sometime, just Control D. Now, this one actually looks better than my other one, but the circles don't match up. But if we do this, select it all and go right click and outline, it kind of adds to the pattern. And, you know, I just keep thinking this would even be, you know, let's group that together, Control G, and let's rotate it just 30 degrees, get a flat side. Let's make it even. You can't make it even, but with your ratio lock, we need this to be 32. And then change your nudge distance to 32. And then Control D and nudge it over. Boy, if you filled that in, and then of course you do it like any other thing, just group it together, Control G, Control D to duplicate it, grab that top node and have it snap to that right there. It might not snap very well. I'm gonna have to zoom in. But if you have it grouped together, you'll be way ahead of the game. Yeah, it did snap in. Mind-blowing what it would look like printed. Or maybe even engraved. But anyway, to answer his question, you can use any shape. Of course, the round's going to look the best because, I mean, unless you're doing some other shape besides circles. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.